Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the EPC light on your VW Tiguan. First, always begin with simple checks. Ensure your fuel cap is securely tightened, as a loose cap can trigger the light. Next, test your brake lights. A faulty brake light switch is a very common culprit. Also, verify your engine oil level is correct, as low oil can sometimes cause this warning. Finally, visually inspect for any loose or damaged vacuum hoses under the hood, as these are easy fixes. Moving on to common causes, a dirty throttle body is a frequent offender, restricting airflow and causing the EPC light to illuminate. Issues with spark plugs or ignition coils often lead to engine misfires, which also trigger the warning. A faulty mass airflow sensor can send incorrect data to your engine's computer, impacting performance. Additionally, a failing ABS sensor might unexpectedly activate the EPC light due to interconnected vehicle systems. Addressing these components can often resolve the issue. For more advanced troubleshooting, using an OBD2 scanner is crucial. This tool allows you to retrieve specific diagnostic trouble codes, or DTC, which pinpoint the exact system or component at fault. Once you have the codes, analyze them carefully to understand the problem. You should also check wiring harnesses for any signs of corrosion or damage, ensuring good electrical connections. Monitoring live data streams from various sensors can reveal abnormal readings, guiding you to the root cause. If you've performed these checks and the EPC light remains on, it's time to consult a certified mechanic. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose complex issues accurately. Remember, regular vehicle maintenance is key to preventing many common EPC light triggers. Ensure all fluid levels are correct, and components like spark plugs and filters are replaced according to your vehicle's service schedule. Addressing minor engine performance issues promptly can prevent them from escalating into larger, more costly problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.